Are you ready to turn your laptop into a money-making machine? Welcome back to AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. And in today's video, we'll be revealing 3 mind-blowing AI tools that can help you to make more than $1,000 per day. Trust us, you've never seen anything like this before. For each of these AI bots, we'll be discussing their ease of use, how they can be integrated into your business, and how you can earn an incredible amount of money with it. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future video we upload. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the world of AI-powered profit making. The first AI tool we have is Writer.me. Writer is your go-to solution for generating high-quality content online. You can use it to craft a business idea pitch, write compelling emails, and create engaging landing pages and website copies. The possibilities are endless. You can even leverage it to draft quick and professional replies to messages. This tool provides accurate and top-notch content for your business needs. You can also use Writer for your social media accounts to write captivating captions for your Instagram. It can also be a game changer for your landing pages, delivering exceptional copywriting for maximum impact. There are countless ways you can incorporate Writer into your business. It will save you a tremendous amount of time. Now let us give you a quick example of how Writer works. First, you need to log into your account using your Gmail. Let's suppose we are working on a blog that focuses on food blogging. With Writer, all we had to do is select the blog ideas/outline option at the top. Then enter our primary keyword, which is food, and within seconds, Writer generates a full article that we can use to post on our blog. The best part? You can make a lot of money using this tool in combination with affiliate links. First things first, you need to find a great offer to promote as an affiliate. There are several popular affiliate marketplaces like Digistore24, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Max Bounty, where you can discover a wide range of products to promote. Sign up as an affiliate on a platform of your choice and grab your unique affiliate link for the product you want to promote. Next step is content creation. This is where AI comes into play. In this context, Writer.me can assist you in creating valuable content for your online business. To get started, visit Writer.me and choose the language you prefer. Select the informative content type and select Create a Blog Idea and Outline. Think of a primary keyword related to your product niche. Writer.me will work its magic by providing you with a variety of titles and headlines to choose from. It's like brainstorming with a helpful companion. Once you've picked a suitable title or headline, use Writer.me to expand on it. Copy and paste the generated content onto a Google document and insert your affiliate link within the content in a suitable place. You can create call-to-action statements that encourage readers to click on your affiliate link and explore the product further. When you're satisfied with your content, export the Google document as a PDF file. Now, let's focus on driving traffic to your content. SlideShare is an incredible platform that can help you achieve that. It's a hub where you can upload your PDF document and attract a significant number of views. To maximize the visibility of your content on SlideShare, include relevant tags and select a category that matches your niche. Craft a compelling description for your document, making sure to include your affiliate link in the PDF. This way, readers who come across your content can click on the link and be directed to the product sales page. Publish your document on SlideShare and make it accessible to the public. People browsing through SlideShare will discover your document, gain insights from it, and have the opportunity to click on your affiliate link to make a purchase. Each purchase made through your link will earn you a commission, so it's a win-win situation. The best part is that anyone, regardless of their level of experience, can use Writer. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. So, if you're looking to take your content creation to the next level and save valuable time, Writer is the tool for you. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your online presence and boost your business. AI tool number 2. Generated.photos. This is an incredible AI tool that creates unique human faces and avatars which are 100% original and can't be found anywhere else online. Plus, it is very simple to use. At the homepage, click on Generate a File, and it will take you to the Face Generator section. There, you can generate a random face created entirely by AI. Also, you can get a completely new face just by clicking Random Face. And trust us, these faces look so realistic that you wouldn't even know they were generated by AI. On the left-hand side, you have options to change the gender, age, and even the emotions of the generated face. If your marketing campaign targets a younger audience, you can easily update the face to reflect that demographic. It's as simple as a few clicks. You can even customize details like skin tone, hair color, hair length, and even add glasses. Now you might be thinking about how this tool can be useful for your business and help you make money online. Well, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money from this tool. Firstly, you can make unique profile pictures for people who need them for their social media or gaming profiles. It's like giving them a makeover, but in the digital world. These kinds of services are in a lot of demand in freelancing sites in the profile picture designing niche. Another way is to create lots of these pictures and sell them. You can think of it as having your own unique stock Photoshop, but online. This can be great for small businesses that need pictures but don't want to spend a lot of money. Also, if you're into marketing, this can be a game changer. You can change the picture of the person to look exactly like the people you're trying to sell to. In this way, you would have an actor who can change their face to match the audience, and that's also for free. Finally, for your online shops, you can try different pictures to see which one your customers like the most. This will give you the freedom to change outfits quickly to see which one looks best. And the more personalized you make the pictures to suit your clients, the more sales you would generate. Now, let's move on to the last AI tool on our list, envideo.io. Envideo.io is one of the most innovative tools you would come across for creating online content with ease. Especially for content creators, it's one of the best platforms out there, and the content it produces has the potential for highly profitable payouts. With envideo.io, you can transform the text into captivating videos. All you have to do is to paste your script into it, and it will take care of the rest and create a video according to the text. The exciting part? There's a multitude of avenues for kickstarting businesses with it. For instance, you can offer a video editing service on a freelancing platform to people who don't have the time or skills to edit their own videos. Another thing you can do is step into the shoes of a social media expert. Businesses are all over social media, but not everyone knows how to play the game right. If you create engaging video content for their platforms using envideo.io, they'll be more than happy to pay you for it. You could even use your luck in the world of digital marketing. People in that area are always on the lookout for high-quality videos for their campaigns. So why not put envideo.io to work and offer your services as a video marketer? And if there's something you're really good at, you can use envideo.io to create online courses or webinars for it. People love to learn new things, especially when it's delivered in an engaging video format. And lastly, if you're into YouTube, you can generate engaging videos and share them on your channel. As the views pile up, so do the earnings. Even affiliate marketing is an option. Make videos about a product, pop an affiliate link into the video description, and when someone buys the product using your link, you earn a commission. Remember, it's all about being creative and seizing the opportunities. Congratulations! You've now discovered 3 incredible AI-powered tools that can revolutionize your online presence and generate you an incredible amount of money. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these tools, unleash your creativity, and let AI become your trusted ally in the pursuit of success. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or a student, these tools offer immense value and can make a significant impact on your journey. The future is now, and it's time for you to harness the incredible potential of AI. Keep innovating and achieving greatness with the help of AI-powered tools. See you in the next video. Cheers!